You are watching Pree Dis and welcome back from the break. You're vibing with Casmar right here at the Bob Marley Museum, and it's now time for our Pree Di Mix feature. Now this week, we have a Renaissance youth. Yeah, man. You know him as a selector, you know him as a Mike MC, you know him as a VJ. The man do him thing. Here is Joel Harrison, aka Kruddy. I know he was even a host on this show. So go find out what the man up to with our Pree Di Mix feature. And of course, I'm going to drop a little mix for you too. So Kruddy, take it away.
DJs will come across a lot of challenges, you know what I mean? Because first of all, for me, I think that we DJs were the most important part of any event. You know what I mean? As long as it need music, DJs are the most important part. You have certain promoters, certain promoters I'm not gonna pay the DJ. But when you check it, the bartender them get paid, the light man get paid, everybody else in the party get paid, but the DJ money is like, oh yo, that can wait. You know what I mean? So one promoter respect not really dead and all of them things, you know what I mean? And what can be frustrating sometimes you go to an event and then, the crowd, the crowd response, it don't really top up as you'd expect. Everybody can tell that Kruddy is not just a DJ, Kruddy is a personality, you know what I mean? Certain people just play music, Kruddy entertain. You know what I mean? I will just stop the music and I will just say the first thing to my mind, which normally is just something crazy and just humor, friendly person, you know what I mean? Just loving people, just easily just get along with Kruddy, you know what I mean? So Kruddy is not just a person who could just put him on the turntable and spin it, but a person who could just entertain people and just make them happy and feel good.
Good tonight, seeing you dance in the flash.
I've been doing this from 2008 when I just met Charisma Cyrus. The journey, it could have been better, but at the same time it could have been worse. I can't be ungrateful for that, you know what I mean? Because a lot of people who start out before me, you know what I mean, I walk past them and all of these things with these. The journey, it's been satisfactory so far, you know what I mean? It's been a satisfactory journey, you know what I mean? And just putting in the work and just hope that in the future, just better.
Dance floor box full of people, you and I in the middle.
The respect you receive from people, patrons, just out the road is warm, is welcoming. The respect you get from people is great. But let's say some people are just in it for just go party free. You get to go party free and all of them things. You get the group of them in abundance. You know what I mean? Group is one of the things that come now for DJs and all of them things. But if you really focus on a thing and what you really want, as in you can get well commercial with it. TV commercial, work with a whole bunch of business people, you can work for top companies, so.
I'm feeling your heartbeat pulling me closer, one by one.
Renaissance, really and true, the Renaissance helped me a lot, Renaissance helped me a lot, but I can't give all the credit to Renaissance. Renaissance journey has been great, but Cyrus, Charisma, really, I can never ever left out them two, them brother them for life, but when I really talk about Renaissance and Kruddy, Renaissance always there for me, not only musically, but also as a family, every for one, the big boss behind Renaissance. If I get sick, I know Renaissance I go deal with my doctor bill and all of them things there. Renaissance make sure so Kruddy have food for eat, Kruddy have clothes on the box. So them not only just take care of Kruddy and say, just go out and go play music and represent, you know what I mean? Them also make sure say, for this you represent him alright within him lifestyle,
I love you.
Now, throughout his career, Bob Marley has had a string of hits. Now we're talking about Buffalo Soldier, Could You Be Love, One Love, yo. The list goes on and on and on. Now from a hit maker to the Pree Dis top 10 singles chart. Now, who have the hottest song in the country right now? We're going to find out right here on Pree Dis. Mad.
Fight, or if him drive the far at the stoplight. Me the only man she want, the only man she want, yeah. Our man says she very special, yeah, very special. Like a dry line and all line, so I'm up on the front line and all line.
Rude boy with a shot again. I be get girl anywhere, here and there. Girl a shed tear and not tell me she care. When me go put more in the square, girl a say we love the extension in your ear. You don't know, me's a boy with a shot again. Touch the road.
Take me life, take me life. Want take me life, take me life. But mine, but mine. Them want take me life, take me life. Want take me life, take me life. Want take me life, take me life. But mine.
Coming down, make dirt take over my bed. So me wash, cook and clean for myself. No girl can't step over my head. Me house of it clean and me sheet of it clean. Coming down, make dirt take over my bed. I must this sour sap where she blend up. Can't vex.
Oh, no, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. Cause as far as I can see, she loves only me. Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend.
Girl dash for your road and some boy still a place cover now. Don't want none. Put me hand on the Bible, me swear to your honor. Believe me, I gal over gun. International gal is a woman and me yard in a bed, so my sleep and ground. Me no watch man, phone card. Banana, she tell me say, cash free gold, cash free gold. Any piece of gold, me have my any piece of gold really. Phone card. Banana, she tell me say, cash free gold. Girl, them fat, go on. Mad when they tune them jack. One just chop and bust her head back. When treat vibes bust up in her head top. Oh God, party mad. Girl, them a say Gaza party bad. Girl, dash it like
More than them say dash overboard. Do road and cut like a samurai sword. Do road and come back with the bag load. Do road like a me set the code. Do road and them say dash overboard. Do road and cut like a samurai sword. Do road and come back with the bag load. She says our destiny, fi get next to me. This a girl I want flex with me, rest with me, nothing less sissy. So me give her the best of me. The girl I want like a gypsy. One more shot and she get tipsy. She have the it.
Well, you know what they say. All good things must come to an end. This was indeed a great experience for me. Big up, Bob. Making reggae music to the level that it is right now. Thank you guys for sticking with us right here on Pree Dis. It's 1 year, and thank you for the support. Thank you for the feedback, and keep them coming in. Remember, we're on Facebook and Twitter. We're at Pree Dis Show, at Casmars, and remember, we're on YouTube. If you want to check up our past episodes, just type it into the search bar, and you'll get up to speed with what's been happening. Be sure to check us next week, same time, same place, right here on Pree Dis. My name is Casmar. See you guys next week.